Hi, it's Matt Franklin here, and I'm the commercial director at Avasam, and we've got another new supplier for you. So we're going to focus in on supplier 260. So for any of your customers that maybe are looking to get away from the doom and gloom of the UK and travel somewhere else, this is the supplier for you. So we didn't have much luggage or bags on the platform before. This is a China dropship supplier of bags and luggage items. And you'll also notice that there's been a few changes on the platform as well. So at the very top, you'll see the category viewing menu has changed. So you can go into the main categories now, and the drop downs will go into subcategory or subcategories. It'll just make life a lot easier trying to source through all the products we have at the moment. Also, you'll see here where you can find all the suppliers for the UK or for the US, depending on which country you're in, and you can just scroll through those at your leisure. And I've tried to put some description on each supplier, and hopefully you'll get used to the colours and actually the supply numbers. So today we're going to talk about 260. Let's get into it. So 260 is a supplier of luggage items and bags. So I've just typed in luggage. Now I've clicked on supplier 260 and it's filtered there. And I've used the search bar at the top, but you don't have to use the search bar. You can use other methods to sort through the products. If there's a lot of products in there, you can sort by price or stock using this filter, or you can sort through price points or market suitability. I like this. It's got a good mix of products here, some accessories that you might be able to find in other places. I do actually like the idea of covering the luggage. It will protect your case during transit, and it means that any scuffs actually go onto the protected cover rather than the case itself. It's nothing worse than seeing, a nasty bashed up case. It just means that you've travelled long distances. The other products that I like the idea of is some of the storage items and the tags that make your bag then stand out on the luggage carousel. And then we've got other things like the card holders with the RFID. So if you're not sure about RFID and you're selling luggage, you need to start making a big story about that. It's been around for a while, but theft of data is not just about someone stealing your credit card. It's about scanning your not only credit card, but also it can be your passports. Anything with a chip in basically can be scanned. And I've seen it firsthand where someone was about 5 meters away, and they've got a scanning device that scanned my passport details through my bag. So these kind of products where you see bags with RFID in them, it's well worth creating the story around that. And then I've also just highlighted this product again. This is the quarter where gifting comes into it, and this looks like a pretty nice bag. So Jeep branded, and you've got the PU leather, which is the faux leather, but it still looks fairly good. And when you get a very good faux leather, you won't be able to tell the difference. But again, good information around the product. You'll see it's a 7-day delivery. So our China dropship suppliers, they deliver in 7 days. There are a track service, but tracking only kicks in the last mile. So that's every and raw mail. So on the 5th or 6th day, you'll see the tracking details kick into action, and you'll see that the product's being delivered. And then you've got obviously the price of shipping there as well. So for this kind of product, I think the imagery is good. I think the description's pretty good as well. You've got multiple variants. So it's a good opportunity for this time of year, because not everyone stays in the UK at this time of year. There's a lot of people traveling around. So I think another good potential supplier on the platform. So look out for them. It's supplier 260. And I will speak to you very soon for another new supplier video. Thanks a lot. Bye.